It's in the room. It's like, okay, this is effective. Gonna sit in the dark. So today we went to SeaWorld in San Antonio, Texas. And the first thing we did, breakfast was at 7. It was really early, but tomorrow breakfast is at like 8:15, so it's nice. And we did the shark in the mirror, which you get different sharks and what their personalities are, and then how they relate to people. And we were in the shark environment at that point, and we got to sit on the floor. But that one wasn't like an hour of sitting on the floor. And then we went to the the dolphin enclosure. No, the killer whale enclosure. So far, everything's really good. And this was the guy that talked today. This guy. But tonight, he talked, and then Jeff Wallace talked. He was really funny. He was very culturally up to speed. So then we took this survey, and I don't really like taking surveys, but it was really long. Oh, with the shark thing, I was Marco, because my words cut like a knife, sadly. And then I was also a nurse shark. I don't know if it's nerf or nurse or whatever, because I can't get motivated / work ethic. I'm a little lazy. So after we took this survey, the Jeff Wallace talked about the art of self-leadership.
This was a really good section. He talked about friends who I surround myself with, and then he moved on to the survey, and I was dominant. Well, it was the highest thing in your graph, so mine was C, and C is correct. Be flexible. Oh, that was the advice. And then these are what they do and how they talk. I am focused on task and process, orderly, meticulous, precise, accurate, time consistent, hard to read. I don't know if that's correct. Hard to read. I'm not really hard to read. I don't know. I want to be right and diplomatic. I'm also a little bit dominant. As you can see, dominant's my second choice on the disc graph. I have good eye contact. I'd have to agree with that. I like looking people in the eye. I don't know why. And then
I know. He's like, he said, correct people, they have like this stare. I have a stare. When I'm studying people or like just focused on something, Mom says I have like this death glare. What does it look like? He pointed somebody out and they're like, oh no. It was really funny. And there were also influence people, which are really talkative and they are really outgoing. Dominant people are like serious, want to get it done, let's do this. Correct people are like, let's get it perfect. And it was really funny because when we were leaving, I pushed in my chair, but I was sitting at the where the chair leg goes down. No, the table leg goes down, and my chair wouldn't go in. And I was like, oh, whatever. And then I walked away, and then I walked back and moved the chairs down and pushed my chair in. I can't leave it unpushed in. But, so I put like a check mark on this is me, and then like a half check on that one.
and then set goals. This is where I got really hyped, I guess. And then they want us to make goals. They want to ask us a bunch of questions. I think this is a really helpful book. But like questions like, what is my goal? Why is this important? Who is involved? Where will it take place? How often or how much time? They also talked, that's just the S, being specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, timely. Smart. It spells smart. But this was really helpful, I think, because I want to have goals and set goals and actually do the goals, not be a nurse shark and lazy on my goals.
So, this, I really like today. I hope tomorrow's good. Like, I feel like, oh, another session. But then once it gets started, it's like, wow, this is really helpful for my life. And taking personal finance, I know how to, well, I kind of know.
Today I didn't really manage money. I spent like a lot of money. But
I know how to manage money pretty well-ish. And then to have leadership skills. And if I'm not late, then I'll be successful in life.
A super funny story. We got so sidetracked. It was great. But it was a story about how his daughter had daddy time. And to sum up the story, they were fishing. She wanted to go fishing. And they saw a bird. They kept feeding it fish. And then the bird got so fat. And they were feeding it small fish, okay? Well, he caught a fish that was a little bit bigger. And he's like, I wonder what happens if I feed him this. And so he throws it. And the bird is literally like murders the fish before he eats it. Like he's pecking it. Eyes are rolling out.
Well, I got this really cute stingray. I don't know what to name it. I thought Ray, but Paige said that was too simplistic. And then she came up with Patch because its eye is like covering its eyeball. So I got that for an arm and a leg. And then I got this shirt for Dad. It's sleeveless. I thought he could wear it in Cosmo. And then I got this shirt for Mom. I was gonna get a shirt for Hannah and Nathan, but they were really expensive. So, and it says SeaWorld, protect and preserve. Rescue, SeaWorld rescue. So that's all I got today. But I don't have any money left practically, so tomorrow at Six Flags is gonna be interesting.